So Max, what did you make today?
I made a heart.
Could you show it to me? Oh, Max, that is beautiful. Now, you didn't do that, did you?
Yes, you did. Yes, I did.
What did you put on it to make it sparkly?
A cake.
And what's that that's so sparkly on it?
Hearts.
Is it glitter?
Yeah.
That is so pretty. What else did you make today, Max?
I made the angel and the flower.
Oh, let me see if I can find it. Wow, that is so nice.
And it's an angel.
Let's see if we can find your angel. There it is. Wow, that is nice. Well, what are these, Max? What's this red heart with the brown shapes?
Those are mine. Back and to those.
Wow, that's so pretty.
I will put back to dry. We almost missed the soup.